He's cleaning the shaft.
Yeah, the shaft.
Look at him clean the shaft. Clean that shaft.
Let me see.
Well, you gotta make sure there's no excess debris, you know. That way you don't want to have any issues with draw bearings. So you gotta grab the shaft and clean it thoroughly, you know, get in there. Nice and on the tip too, don't forget the tip. Yeah, get all that of the debris off. You don't want issues with draw bearing, you know what I mean? With the pilot bearing, so safety and shit.
Guy. Y'all gay. Yo, what's up guys? It's part like 30 now.
Ooh.
Fucking, it's been like a month. Has it been like a month?
It's about to be a month.
Shit. But guess what though? It's about to go in. Fucking guys.
For your vlog.
Oh shit, that's your boy. Damn, throwback.
Hey, that shit got me hella gross.
I bet.
Damn, my bad.
Morning vibe. You like one minute, like, I love you, bitch. I love you. You my bitch. I love you.
I love you, bitch.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
I'm gonna delete this.
You won't delete them.
It's your legacy. It's your heritage.
If you delete them, I'm gonna report him.
Damn, forever in the internet. It's never deleted. Yo, check it out guys though. It's already, it's all fucking assembled. Looking hella good, bro. But with stock headers, what's all this? Yeah, we're about to drop it in right now, so hopefully in a couple hours it'll be running. Bro, but did you even sand the flywheel though?
That's what launching is for. It is also not my problem.
Yeah, but check it out. My fucking hoist decided to take a shit on me. So to buy a new one. Yup. Harbor Freight, bro. Better not fucking snap on me. Engine up hella high in the air.
Workers' comp?
Workers' comp. Yeah, what are you guys doing?
My lady hump, my hump, my lovely lady hump.
That's all gonna go inside YouTube.
Sure is.
It sure is.
Wowza.
Hopefully that the hump song is not a copyright, so I can put it on there. It probably is. This fool again on the vlog. Now on a different phone. Yeah. This guy. What the fuck? You guys both sleeping together?
Who's that? TFTI? Is that Leo? Yeah, that's Leo.
Yo.
Hey, hi Leo! I miss you!
I never started a vlog before. Oh, fuck yeah, right. Late guy.
Oh,
First time.
nasty.
What do you mean?
Damn.
Not even. See?
It's almost in. It's almost in. It's almost in, right?
Yeah, almost in.
Oh shit. Jeremy actually put in work. Bitch. Spilling all that oil. Huh?
Just go read something.
Nothing. Push the button. That's how you got it. Let me see.
I don't know. I don't remember.
Oh, there it is. You're supposed to hold it.
Oh, there we go.
Damn, Jeremy, you're supposed to close out the vlog now because your battery died.
Hey.
We're about to start it and his battery's dead. That's it for today. Until next time. Deuces.